Now that Amelia can walk, she does laps around the table. Here she comes. Say, oh, careful, around the corner. Hi. Whoa. Oh, you got your ball. Get your ball. Danny says, I want to play ball. And we're off. Ooh! A little hard on the landing there, silly. No, what did the kids leave in the corner for you? Dirty. Come on, out of the kitchen. Let's go. Let's go. Yep, let's go see Dan. No, dirty. No. Walk away, please. You're so cute. Alright, Destructicon. Careful now. You are so cute. Alright, are you all done walking? Are you all done walking for a little while? See ya, Mama. I'm going to sit and play. Oh! Oh! Uh-oh. Gonna go bother TJ? You gonna go bother TJ? TJ on the computer? Careful. What are you doing? Careful. Careful. Woo! Alright. Good job. Okay. Go see Danny. Say hi, Dan Dan. Alright, we'll say goodbye for now. Say bye-bye. I'm going to get Mom's shoes. Silly.